Alright, so welcome to Bank 2's version of the Ice Bucket Challenge. As everybody knows, Ross Hill was called out on the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge by Bo Parrish. It's a great cause, and he did his Ice Bucket Challenge yesterday. But my friend Jim challenged me to a little bit of a different twist on it. Here at Bank 2, Water For is our pet charity. We support it wholeheartedly. Water Goes with Water For. It's a charity here in Oklahoma City to provide clean drinking water in Africa. So, Jim called me out and wanted to dump water on mine and Betty Shaw's head. I agreed, and somehow Betty called in sick today. So, the bank, Jim sold raffle tickets at $5 a piece to see who would get the honor of dumping water on my head. Somehow he won. And John won. So we raised $275. I'm going to kick in another $25, so we raised $300 for Water For. So it's a great cause.
Yay!
Thanks everybody for participating. So, in the spirit of the ALS challenge, I'm going to challenge Lewis and Joy and Michael for the Bank 2 Water For Ice Bucket Challenge. So, here we go guys. Let's do it.